This video demonstrates how a user of TeamMap can view their own location and track in real time against a map background. I will introduce the TeamMap shortcut menu and how to use this to display the user's own location against a map background. I will then show how the map can be adjusted and customized. Finally, I will explain how to enable the user's location if it has been disabled. Let's get started. This is the default TeamMap view, unless the user has requested a different one. It shows recent TeamMap reports in a list view. To understand more about reports, see one of our other videos. The shortcut menu is activated by touching the TeamMap logo in the header bar at the top of the screen. The shortcut menu contains a number of frequently used commands, but the one we're interested in today is Display My Member Map. The user's real-time location is now shown by the coloured member icon and most accurately by the pointed tip at the bottom of the icon shape. The green highlighting around the bottom of the icon denotes the recency of a fix, with green denoting a fix within the last few minutes, yellow, amber and red denoting progressively older fixes. A track connecting all displayed fixes is also shown by a blue line, with timings shown at each recent fix. As you might guess, I'm in a car being driven along a freeway by someone else. I most certainly would not use TeamMap while driving myself. The I button, bottom left corner of the menu, can be used to control whether or not the trail and/or the trail timings are displayed. I'll demonstrate. Switch off the trail and the trail timings. No blue line. Switch back on the trail. Blue line. Switch on the trail and the timings. Blue line with timings. It's up to the user as to which they actually like. As we can now see, we've had a number of new fixes and the map is continually recentered to keep the member icon in the middle of the screen. The map can be zoomed in or out using the plus or minus buttons top right. And to zoom out, there is a choice between mapping and imagery at each layer. This is found at the bottom of the I button menu, map type selection, Esri satellite, or OpenStreetMap. By selecting the bottom option, one can set this up in one go for all of the levels of the map. By default, the bottom two levels are satellite and the rest are street map. To move the map from side to side, simply drag it to where you want it to be. Here I've panned the map. Note that once the map has been panned, it will stay put where it was left. This means when a new fix arrives, as it just did, the map will not automatically recenter on the user's new location, and I had to drag the map to get to where it was. This is also the case when you use the pinch spread action with two fingers, which is actually a combination of panning and zooming at the same time. To re-establish auto-centering of a map on the member icon at any point, the easiest way is to reselect Display My Team Member Map from the shortcut menu. As you see, it is now zoomed out. You can control the actual level of the initial display once Display My Team Member Map is shown as follows. Select the setting icon, select the menu top right, select Item Map, and under Single Item Range, reduce this say 600 yards. Now go back to the map, and it will default to a particular level of that you've chosen, where 600 yards is this radius here. Finally, in this video, I just want to explain how to enable a member location if it has previously been disabled. And also I'll have to do the opposite, as currently we do have members enabled. Once display my team member map is selected, select this list details button at the bottom right corner and use the pencil icon to edit your member entity. This option here, this icon here with a chess piece, is actually indicating whether or not Steve member has a location. If I touch it, I get a line through that indicates it doesn't have a location. So if I save myself without a location and return to the map, I will have no location. If I go to display my member map, item has no position. If I edit myself again by going to the details and the pencil icon and set the location, I'll get a pop-up from the saying that it's requesting GPS from the device. I can check that I now have a location and I can save myself. So if in future I went back to display my team member map, I would have a location. Thank you for watching. I hope you get real benefit from using the TeamMap app.